In an industry built on trust, relationships still matter. Every year, the IALC Workshop brings together some of the most respected language schools and agencies in international education.
And it's a nice size event, perhaps a little more intimate than the bigger conferences.
Very familiar and it's very relaxed, so it's a really nice way to do business because you meet the directors of the school in a really informal atmosphere.
The best thing about attending IALC events is that you can always find the best educators in our industry.
We know that all the IALC schools are quality schools.
And the agents know that as well, so that's why they come and do business here. They stand for professionalism and quality. The family atmosphere and the integrity in the room is palpable.
Alfie was basically based around IALC, the same friendly atmosphere.
The relationships you have with the owners and the people who work there, the admin teams, the accommodation officers, all the different aspects of the school, that's what really matters.
Most of my partner schools are IALC schools. The trust that they have on us and us on them is unique.
But beyond the workshop tables and business appointments, IALC is about showcasing its members and the destination of the host school, creating experiences that bring partnerships to life.
Attend all the events, meet as many people as possible.
Be open-minded, be ready also for spontaneous encounters because this is what can happen here.
Salerno is better than I expected. It's a beautiful place, full of history, full of tradition.
The opera made me want to go and see more.
It's a joy to work with so many great schools around the world.
Over 300 people travelling from all over the globe, coming together to celebrate our wonderful industry and everything we achieve together.
My IALC friends, my IALC colleagues, my IALC family.
Family.
Friendly.
Fabulous.